Welcome back. Today we discuss about 2 Dirhams coin from Morocco. Value, price and history details. And sell informations. This video is going to very interesting, so please don't skip this. Before starting video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2 Dirhams coin from Morocco, issued in 2002, AH 1423. Part of a new series of legal tender coins that gradually replaced the former series. The Moroccan Dirham, including this 2 Dirham coin, is issued by Bank Al-Maghrib, the central bank of Morocco. The 2 Dirham coin is currently in circulation in Morocco, alongside other denominations like 5, 10, and 20 centime coins, and 0.5, 1, 5, and 10 Dirham coins. The value of the Moroccan Dirham fluctuates against other currencies. For example, as of August 7, 2025, 1 Moroccan Dirham, MAD, is approximately equal to 31.32 Pakistani rupees, PKR. Therefore, a 2 Dirham coin would be worth double that amount in PKR. The coin depicted is a 2 Dirhams coin from Morocco, minted in 2002, corresponding to 1423 in the Islamic calendar, during the reign of Mohammed VI. Morocco is considered a middle-income country, but not a rich country in the sense of having a high GDP per capita or widespread wealth. While it has made economic progress, particularly in recent years, it also faces challenges related to poverty and inequality. Morocco's royal family, $8.2 billion, £6 billion. Next in line to the throne is 20-year-old Moulay Hassan, pictured, the eldest of King Mohammed VI and Princess Lala Salma's 2 children. They also have a daughter, Princess Lala Khadija. Before the introduction of a modern coinage in 1882, Morocco issued copper coins denominated in Falas, silver coins denominated in Dirham, and gold coins denominated in Benduki. From 1882, the Dirham became a subdivision of the Moroccan rial, with 500 mazunas equals 10 Dirham equals 1 rial. The obverse, front, of the coin features a portrait of King Mohammed VI, the current monarch of Morocco, inclusion of the name of His Majesty King Mohammed VI, and the Kingdom of Morocco in Arabic. He was educated in both Arabic and French, and literature and art were among his interests. Over time, the heir to the throne of Morocco took on increasing responsibilities in support of his father, King Hassan II. He became known particularly for advancing efforts to help the poor. Mohammed has vast business holdings across several economic sectors in Morocco. His net worth has been estimated at between $2.1 billion and over $5.2 billion. The reverse, back, of the coin typically displays the denomination, 2 dirhams, the year of mintage, 2002 AD 1423 AH, and potentially other national symbols or inscriptions related to Moroccan currency. Composition, copper-nickel diameter, approximately 26 mm. Edge, reeded, date, 2002 1423, Islamic calendar, denomination, 2 dirhams, country, Morocco. The 2002 Moroccan 2 dirham coin is a copper-nickel coin. The coin is round, with a reeded edge, and has a diameter of approximately 26 mm. The date on the coin is 2002, which corresponds to 1423 in the Islamic calendar. Pre-1882. Before the introduction of a new monetary system in 1882, Morocco utilized copper falas, silver dirhams, and golden benduki. 1882. The dirham was integrated into a system where it became a multiple of the rial coins. 1960. Following the end of the French protectorate, the dirham was reintroduced, replacing the franc at a rate of 1 dirham to 100 francs. This currency remained in circulation until 1974. 1974. A new monetary system was established, introducing centime denominations, 1, 5, 10, 20, and 50 centimes, and 1 dirham coins. The materials used for these coins varied, including aluminum for 1 centime, bronze aluminum for 5, 10, and 20 centimes, and cupra-nickel for the rest. Later developments. Over time, lower denomination banknotes like the 5 and 10 dirham notes were replaced by coins in 1980 and 1995, respectively. The 2 dirhams coin, like the one shown, is part of the modern Moroccan coinage system. The Moroccan dirham is a closed currency, which means you can't get it in the UK or any other country outside Morocco. You can exchange your pounds for dirhams in banks, hotels, and bureaus de change in an airport or port, and turn any leftover money back at the end of your trip.